Okay, we saw very clearly that the source code, the original source code, and this new source code are not behaving the same. So we know that the original code works, so we need to find out where the difference is. So how do we know where this starts? So what we would do is we would have to find the text that you see when you're clicking. I always make sure I'm starting in the right place. So we're clicking on create new quote order change order proposal. That's the text we see when we click on it. So I'm going to make a note of that, take out a piece of paper and write that down, close this, and now I'm going to open this without enabling the macros. So I just get to the tables. First thing I'm going to look at is table menu choices. Pretty straightforward. And this description right here. Sort descending. Sort ascending. I'm looking for that text that I saw when I clicked on it. It was create. There it is. This one right here. Create new change order proposals. Now there's three things you're going to want to write down on a piece of paper here. The first one is what's called the module ID, and that's this column here. The next one is the original library ID. You just need to write those down, 1010. And then you need to write down this command, ASDSMOE add quotes. So those three things written down on a piece of paper. Let's not save this. One more table. You go to references. Open this up. And now you're going to look for the module ID of 10 and the original library ID of 10. So you can see here we have our 10 and our 10. So this ASD6DSQL97OE quotes, that's the name of the actual database that the original source code resided in. That other phrase I had you type out is the actual command that it runs. I made a copy of this database so I could work with it. So it's the ASD60SQL. Okay, I'm going to open it. Every single one of these modules has this one that's highlighted, mod UA system interface. Okay, now here you'll see that command I had you write down. That command is what it's going to execute when you basically click on that menu item. So I'm in the right database and I'm exactly where the code's getting initiated. So this is step one, where it's starting. So it does some stuff, but the main thing is if I analyze this briefly, I see that it opens form order entry quotes. So that's where I'm going to start. So I'm going to go to form order entry quotes.